Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's super important for anyone involved in manufacturing or asset-intensive industries. We're talking about how reliability-centered maintenance, or as the cool kids call it, RCM, can seriously boost your total productive maintenance, or TPM strategy. Now, you might be thinking, Karina, why are we talking about maintenance? That doesn't sound very exciting, but trust me, this stuff is crucial. It's like the behind-the-scenes magic that keeps everything running smoothly. We're talking about maximizing uptime, optimizing performance, and squeezing every ounce of value out of your assets. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to maintenance mastery and take your operations to the next level, buckle up. We're about to break down how RCM supercharges TPM for ultimate efficiency. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the foundation of RCM systematic failure analysis. It's not about placing blame. We're not starting a machine revolution here. It's about understanding why equipment fails. Think of it as detective work for machines. RCM provides a structured framework for analyzing failure modes. We need to understand the consequences of these failures. By understanding severity, we can prioritize maintenance and allocate resources. Here's where things get really interesting. RCM helps us ditch those old-school, time-based maintenance approaches and embrace strategies that are way more effective. Instead, RCM lets us get laser-focused on what matters most. By assessing the criticality of each failure mode, we can determine the most appropriate maintenance strategy. It's about working smarter, not harder. Chapter 3. Enhanced Equipment Reliability. Uptime is the name of the game. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, reliability. When we implement RCM effectively, we're not just preventing failures, we're building a culture of reliability. It's about shifting from a reactive, fix it when it breaks mentality to a proactive, keep it running smoothly approach. By focusing our maintenance efforts on those critical failure modes and their potential consequences, we can significantly enhance the reliability and availability of our equipment. It's like giving our assets a superhero shield against downtime. And when our equipment is running reliably, we see a ripple effect of benefits throughout our operations. We're talking about increased production output, reduced maintenance costs, and a happier, more productive workforce. Chapter 4. Risk-based decision-making. Playing the odds in your favor. Let's face it, in the real world, we can't eliminate every single risk. But with RCM, we can make smarter decisions about how we manage those risks. It's all about understanding the potential impact of failure and prioritizing our actions accordingly. Think of it like this. We're not going to invest the same amount of effort and resources into preventing a paper jam as we would into preventing a catastrophic engine failure, right? RCM helps us quantify the risk associated with each failure mode, so we can allocate our maintenance budget wisely. It's about making those tough decisions, where to invest, where to focus our efforts, and where to accept a certain level of risk. And by taking this risk-based approach, we can optimize our maintenance spending and ensure that every dollar is working hard to improve our bottom line. Chapter 5. Continuous improvement. The journey never ends. Here's the thing about RCM. It's not a one-time fix. It's an ongoing journey of continuous improvement. The industrial landscape is constantly evolving, and our maintenance strategies need to evolve with it. RCM encourages us to regularly review and update our maintenance plans based on new data, insights, and changes in our operating environment. Maybe we've installed new equipment, adopted new technologies, or identified emerging failure patterns. Whatever the case may be, RCM provides a framework for adapting and optimizing our maintenance practices over time. It's about constantly seeking ways to improve our reliability, efficiency, and profitability. And that's what makes RCM so powerful. It's not a static set of rules, it's a dynamic approach to maintenance that helps us stay ahead of the curve and achieve operational excellence. Outro, RCM plus TPM. Level up your maintenance game. So there you have it. By integrating RCM with TPM, you can take your maintenance game to the next level. It's like combining the power of a well-oiled machine with the strategic thinking of a grandmaster chess player. Remember, effective maintenance isn't just about fixing things. It's about optimizing performance, maximizing uptime, and squeezing every ounce of value out of your assets. And with RCM and TPM working hand in hand, you can unlock a whole new level of operational efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, keep striving for excellence.